Are you spending loads of time manually setting up the groups, items, and sub-items for your projects? Well, with Templify, you don't have to anymore. Instantly turn any existing groups, items, or sub-items into templates. Simply select the group or items you want to templify and click Save. Once you have saved your template, you can easily adjust the column values of both items and sub-items from the intuitive item view. Templify supports most column types, including dependency and connected boards. You can also add dynamic dates based on the creation date. So, once you apply your template, your timelines are set to go. Oh, and don't worry, templates created in one board can be applied to any other board through an easy column mapping process. Save time and automate the application of templates with powerful automation recipes, such as when a status changes, apply a sub-item template, or every day, apply a group template. So what are you waiting for? Install Templify today. Let your team spend less time setting up projects and more time getting them done. Don't be shy to reach out if you would like to have a personalized demo. Thanks for watching.